Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Rizky Kurniawati from English P. Here I will explain a little if you want to go to Egypt. Let's go! Okay, where is Egypt located? Egypt is a country located in North Africa, precisely at the northern tip of the African continent. Egypt is one of the oldest countries in the world. It is more than 5,000 years old. The indigenous tribes of Egypt are nomadic tribes from the Sahara Desert, Africa. Egypt is a country that has its own attraction, ranging from pyramids, pharaohs, the Nile, the Suez Canal, Sinai Hill, to Al-Azhar University. One of the most popular ancient Egyptian tour in the world is the Sphinx and the Pyramid of Giza. Egypt is called the land of the prophets or the land of the prophets because of the number of prophets who have visited, lived, died, grown, preached, or came from there. So, what does it take to get to Egypt? Travel document. Travel document required when heading to Egypt. The first is a passport. Make sure the passport is still valid for at least 6 months after the date of arrival in Egypt. And 2 blank page for immigration stamps. Some countries require a minimum of 2 blank page. 2. Visa. Making an Egyptian visa. The cost of applying for an Egyptian visa varies from single entry approximately 300,000 and multiple entry approximately 1 million, and also student visas ranging from 300,000 to 400. Then how to apply visa? First, visa on arrival. Indonesian citizen can obtain a visa upon arrival at the airport. This visa is valid for tourist visit for 30 days. And B. Electronic visa or e-visa. This visa can be applied for through the official website of the Egyptian government before departure. And C. Official visa. It is a special visa for business or diplomatic purpose. Next, travel insurance. Choose insurance with complete protection. We recommend choosing a travel insurance policy with comprehensive coverage, which include trip cancellation, medical care, loss package, and accident or death protection. The price of this insurance range from 1 million to 3 million Indonesia rupiah, depending on the duration of the trip. Next, round-trip flight ticket. 1. Make sure to book a flight ticket with a clear destination and schedule from Egypt to avoid problem when arriving in Egypt. And 2. Make sure to check on time and follow the visa application deadline. Proof of accommodation. 1. Need to show proof of hotel or other accommodation while in Egypt. 2. Attach an invitation letter along with a copy of your passport or personal identification from your family or relative who will be your resident while in Egypt. Next, proof of finance. 1. Must show sufficient balance in the last 3 months. And 2. Attach a salary slip or income that shows financial ability. 3. Make sure you have enough funds during your stay in Egypt with an estimated cost of around 5,600,000 to 15 million Indonesian rupiah for a 7-day trip. Next, travel itinerary. 1. Make a detailed travel plan. 2. Determine the destination you will visit while in Egypt and choose the type of transportation you will use during the trip. Next, immigration regulation. First, the deadline for staying in Egypt, such as via tourist, is usually valid for 30 days. If you want to stay longer, then apply for a visa extension at the Egyptian Immigration Office. Don't overstay. If you do this, you will be fined and can even be deported. 2. Immigration stamp. Whenever you enter or exit Egypt, your passport will be stamped at the airport or border points showing the entry and exit dates. Be sure to check the stamp and date on your passport. 3. Attendance registration. If you are staying more than 7 days in Egypt, you are required to report to the local police station or immigration, especially if you live outside a major city. And 4. Do not violate the law in Egypt. Egypt has strict laws. If you are involved in a crime, you can be subject to severe punishment in accordance with Egyptian law. The punishment can be finished up to prison. Next, for custom and regulation in Egypt. First, prohibited item. It is not allowed to bring narcotics, something that smells pornographic, something that threatens state security. And 2. Cards subject to custom duties including electronic cards, commercial cards, and also alcohol and cigarettes. And 3. Foods that can carry the virus, such as meat, dairy product, and fresh food that do not have certificates or are dangerous. And 4. Restrictions on the number of items to be brought, such as cosmetic, electronics, and other. Next, for cabin or baggage regulation. First, choose an international airline such as Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Egyptian Air that has direct or transit flight to Egypt. This time I choose Egypt Air. And 2. Baggage and baggage weight limitation. Please note that your checked package cannot exceed 32 kg per piece. This is in accordance with the local occupational safety rules. And passengers are required to repack their baggage if the baggage will exceed the limitation per piece, as the baggage over 32 kg will not be accepted and must be shipped separately as freight or cargo. 3. Rules for items carried in the cabin. Each passenger is allowed one cabin bag with a maximum weight of 7 kg. Allowed item in cabin baggage, laptop, mobile phones, camera, and other small electronic items can be carried in a cabin bag. Limited amounts of food and drink are also allowed. Although 3 are fluid restriction. Okay guys, that's a few recommendation for when you visit Egypt. Hopefully, in the near future, you can go to Egypt and take photos at the pyramid and the desert. Thank you for watching. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.